Hi, this is Jonna from Bee's Knees, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly how I made these 3 different Motel keychains. So here are the materials I'm going to be using in today's tutorial. Of course, the star of the show are the Motel keychains. You get 6 in a pack. And I love this pink color along with this gold hardware. And you see I'm gonna play on that pink and gold with all of these vinyls that I'm using today. I'm gonna design 3 different Motel keychains. I'm also gonna give all the SVGs I'm using away for free. So there's a link below the video in the description if you wanna make the same ones. Feel free to download that SVG and follow along. And the vinyl I'm going to use today, and I have so many because again I'm doing 3 different designs, but I'm going to start here with my transfer tape. I'm using some TeckWrap's matte transfer tape. Then I'm going to use their Piggy Pink, their Sweet Pink, TeckWrap's Millennial Pink, Ultra Pink, Shimmer White, Glitter Black, and last but definitely not least, Textured Rose Gold. And these pinks have protective coatings on them, which I love. It keeps your vinyl nice and safe from scratches. So you'll see the actual true vibrant colors when I take that coating off and we make our Motel keychains. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, these are the 3 different Motel keychains we're gonna make today. We're gonna make one with just the writing on the keychain with our awesome vinyl. We're going to make one that's personalized. We're going to put a background behind it. And then of course you personalize it with whatever name you're using. And then this one, this mama one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some small pieces of vinyl and cut these up in strips and cut this design out and put it behind my mama. So I will walk you through that in a second before I get to cutting it so you understand what I'm doing. But I'm going to go ahead and cut these other ones out first. Okay, and to do my last cut, I'm going to take these 3 different pinks, and they're just kind of scrap pieces from each. And just remember that these have a protective coating on it, which keeps them looking beautiful. Okay, here are my 3 pinks, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in strips, and then I'm just going to cut and pick up the whole thing and put it down on the keychain. So I think I'm going to do 5 strips. And the only thing that's important here, I'm going to do each strip about a half an inch. But it doesn't have to be exact, and the only thing that's really important is to make sure that the edges are straight, because you want them to line up right next to each other without any gaps. So let me just cut this off to get a nice straight edge to start with. And then I want each one a half of an inch. And then this guy's going to be on the end, so I'm going to do it just a little bit bigger so I have some overlap just so I don't have to line it up super perfect. And actually I like the way this pattern looks better, so I'm gonna take this guy. Make him exact, and then I'm gonna make this guy a little bit bigger on the end. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now I'm going to take my Tech Wrap mat, and I'm just gonna line these up on here. And I'm going to try to start it where it starts cutting so it's not too lopsided. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it on here, and I'm going to weed away the excess pieces while it is still on the mat. Okay, and there we have it ready to go on the keychain, but I'm going to put that aside for now while I weed the rest. And you want to start like you would with any blank that you're using and wipe it down with an alcohol wipe. And again, I'm just going to show you the one side just for the purpose of this video. But when you're doing it, you'll want to do both sides, probably with the same pattern, but you can mix it up and put something different on each side. It's totally up to you. And since I have this guy ready to go, once this is dry, I'm going to start here. Okay, so you'll want to carefully line this up, which is fairly easy to do, and then go ahead and press down. And I'm always saying this, but something I love about Tech Wrap vinyl is there just never seem to be any bubbles. Then slowly peel the transfer tape away. Okay, and then with the same piece of transfer tape, I'm going to take the mama. I'm going to burnish both sides. And this is a glitter vinyl, so really I should be using Tech Wrap's yellow grip, strong grip transfer tape. But because I'm putting it over top of some other vinyl, I don't want to pull this up and make a bubble. So I am going to use my same piece even, and I'm just going to peel it back like this. And as I go, I'm going to push that vinyl down. And you'll see that it works perfectly. And I'm gonna line this up and press down. So super cute. So we have 3 different keychains and we've used different methods to decorate each one. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.